Listen, bro, I've watched all the how to make money as a teen videos. I've tried the surveys, reselling, dropshipping. I'm not a millionaire and I don't drive an M4 yet, but at 18 years old, I figured out what actually works and what's a complete waste of time. So I'm giving you the 5 best side hustles to start this summer. Bro, I was out here making $50 a day for months just flipping free stuff on Facebook Marketplace with just my phone. Facebook has a free category where people are giving out anything, random items they don't want anymore, shoes, couches, whatever. And now here's where you come in. Open up your phone right now and scroll to the free section on Facebook Marketplace, pick it up, or you can usually get it dropped off, clean it up a little bit, list it at a good price. You'll be surprised on how many offers you actually get. People are always looking for stuff to buy on Facebook, and it's very likely you'll get some offers really soon. You can also buy products from DHgate, electronics, bro, hoodies, whatever. Resell that on Facebook to make insane profit. I have reselling videos all over my channel where I made hundreds of dollars in days. In my last video, we made $645 in just 3 days from resale. Marketplace in itself is its own side hustle. It has endless possibilities if you're just starting out. Now, this side hustle did make me some money, but this side hustle is making me thousands a month off just my laptop and phone. This channel, you're watching one of my side hustles right now. I started with $0, no camera, just my phone, and now this is almost making me hundreds to thousands a month. YouTube is the ultimate long-term side hustle. You make videos once and they keep paying you forever. You don't need to be famous. You don't need a good camera, just content that solves a problem or entertains. There's people out here with 10K subs making more than people with 1 million subs. Pick a viral niche, something people are already watching, money, fitness, relationships, and then find a way to stay unique in that niche. For me, I'm in the money game, but I add humor, energy, and keep it raw. Pause. That's what makes people watch. Your first video is gonna suck, but who cares? Focus on getting better each time. Use free apps like CapCut, Pixar for thumbnails and editing. Post consistently and use short form content to clip your best moments and blow you up. That's how I started to get attention without spending a single dollar. I got monetized on this channel a couple months ago, and the revenue I got 2 months ago from straight ads was 2.9K, which is insane for a channel my size. But look, maybe you just want some quick cash for the summer. I got you. Fiverr is genuinely the easiest bag you can make straight from your room. Fiverr is a website where people pay you to do the most basic stuff: thumbnails, YouTube short edits, logos, stuff you can literally use AI to make now. But people are way too lazy, and that's where you come in. Step 1, go through Fiverr, scroll through category, find stuff you already know or something you can easily learn or be done with AI. Step 2, go look at the top sellers, copy their styles, titles, thumbnails, and set up your gig to look like that but cheaper. You're new, so undercut until you build trust. Step 3, don't be scared to learn. You can make money doing the most easiest things to learn: AI voiceovers using 11 Labs, scripts using ChatGPT, thumbnails using Pixar, and edits using CapCut. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to deliver some clean work. Now, me personally, I don't use Fiverr too heavily right now, but back in my Fortnite days, I was out here making $15 making Fortnite thumbnails for people using just Canva or my laptop. So I was just trying to get V-Bucks, alright? But look, it's only gotten easier to learn. You got AI, free apps, and YouTube tutorials for everything. But let's move on to something that everyone is doing right now. Unemployment is at an all-time high, and Streamer University just proved how much of us are scared of jobs, bro. But guess what? That's exactly why this hustle works. You can be rich and lazy from just clipping videos. You know those clips of Kai Cenat, Speed, FaZe. The streamers are winning, but the people behind the scene making those clips, they're printing thousands a month. Open up Twitch, TikTok, or YouTube. Find small streamers or creators with decent content but no motion. DM them saying, yo, I'll post and clip your content for a week. If it hits, we talk business. Me personally, I've clipped for a few creators on the low. Nothing crazy, but even when I was just testing this, people were ready to pay me. People like Musa making 4 figures a month just clipping daily content. It's literally the easiest bag to make right now. You're already watching the content. Why not get paid to clip it? But hey, maybe you want to be on the other side of clipping and get free products. I got you with one last hustle. You don't need followers, you don't need a product, and you don't need any money. People are out here making thousands, posting a video and having a link in the bio. That's TikTok affiliate. And yes, it's really that easy. TikTok affiliate is when you promote other products using your content, and when someone buys from your link, you get paid a bag. You don't ship anything, you don't deal with customers, you're just a traffic plug. TikTok loves rewarding that. Open up TikTok shop and find products that are already going viral. Things like beauty tools, gym gear, edit stuff you see all the time. Step 2, apply as an affiliate. It's free, and link your TikTok to TikTok shop. Number 3, grab a product link, download videos that are already performing good, or order the product and make your own. Repost it with good good hashtags, good captions, slap your link in the bio, and that's it. Listen, bro, now you actually got 5 side hustles to get you moving this summer. No startup cash, no fluff, just straight game. Whether you're flipping couches, editing for streamers, whatever, bro, there is zero excuse to make no money this summer. And if you want to see me try these side hustles, live results, or even expose what's cap and what's legit, hit that sub button because I test it all. Comment motion if you're starting any of these today. Now stop scrolling and go stack something.